The birth of light, the adventure of electricity. In a world where dark nights dominated and illumination was provided only by oil lamps and gas lamps, humanity was approaching a great turning point. For centuries, the moments when lightning flashes in the sky have been seen as a mysterious force. Many thinkers, from ancient Greece to Arab scholars, tried to understand this natural phenomenon. However, electricity in real terms came to life with experiments carried out in the 18th and 19th centuries. The discovery process of electricity. The foundations of electricity were actually laid in the 16th century. British scientist William Gilbert introduced the concept of electricus to literature for the first time by examining the gravitational force that emerged when he rubbed the amber stone with wool. The electrical nature of lightning was proven in the 18th century by Benjamin Franklin's kite experiment. Then, Alessandro Volta developed the first electric battery, voltaic battery, in 1800. This invention enabled continuous electric current to be obtained. First uses of electricity. Volta's battery was used to produce light and heat in small experiments in laboratories. In the 1920s, Danish Hans Christian Ørsted discovered that electric current creates a magnetic field. Michael Faraday laid the foundation of the electric motor by discovering electromagnetic induction. The telegraph was among the first machines powered by electricity. This device, developed by Samuel Morse, was used to transmit messages for the first time in 1837. Then, the incandescent light bulb invented by Thomas Edison in 1879 was the most important turning point that started the use of electricity in daily life. Spread of electricity. Countries and historical order. England and USA 1800. In 1882, Edison built a first power plant on Pearl Street in New York. This power plant illuminated street lamps and some workplaces. Germany and France. 1880, electric trams and factories began to appear in the industrial cities of Europe. Russia 1890s, Moscow and St. Electric lighting came into use in St. Petersburg. Ottoman Türkiye, 1902-Türkiye görlek the arrival of electricity in the Ottoman lands, occurred approximately 20 to 30 years after Europe. The first hydroelectric power plant was established in Tarsus in 1902. Silahapatara Power Plant was opened in Istanbul in 1914. This power plant provided electricity to both trams and parts of the city. How were pre-electric machines operated? Before electricity, machines worked mainly with mechanical energy. Water wheels, mills, wind power and steam engines formed the backbone of the industry. Conclusion: electricity, as one of the greatest inventions in human history, radically changed both industry and daily life. This adventure, extending from oil lamps to neon lamps, from the telegraph to the internet, has become one of the strongest indicators of humanity's desire for progress. Turkey's rapid adaptation to this development formed the cornerstones of the modern life we live today. But the new question for humanity is, beyond electricity, which energy sources will shape our future?